Sentence race. Like, likes. Children, here is another table. Make correct sentences by choosing one word from each column. Who will do this?
I will, teacher.
Go ahead, Sameer.
I like apples. We like apples. You like apples. He like apples.
No, he likes apples.
Oh yes, he likes apples. She likes apples. It likes apples. They like apples.
Now, let's have a quick exercise. I will say the name of a person, animal, or thing. Choose the correct word from the first column and make a sentence. For example, children. They like cake. About Ahmad.
He likes cricket.
About Ruchi.
She likes sports.
Riya, tell Sameer, Sachin and me about us.
You like cake.
Very good, Riya. Ruchi, please answer this one. Talk about yourself, Priya, Nikhil and Ahmad.
We like football.
Ahmad, talk about yourself.
I like history.
A monkey.
It likes nuts.
Good. So you use likes with he, she and it. And like with I, we, you and they. Next class, we will look at how to use have and has.